United Financial Group is a trust asset management company investment into the development of new generation innovative drugs. UFG is the most potential technologies and industries, safe medicine, and IT blockchain development. Our mission is to set up a well balanced investment portfolio for everyone. United Financial Group. Invest with us and create your own future. Good evening, distinguished partners and investors of United Financial Group. Can you hear and see me? Good, I can see plus signs on the chat. I welcome all participants on the webinar. Have a good Thursday. Thank you for your feedback. So, dear friends, welcome to our online webinar conducted by me, official speaker of United Financial Group. And following the official part, you will be able to ask your questions to Evgeny Rusich, who is General Manager of our company. For our new participants, I am going to recap. For our already partners, you may be proud of your decision because you will know what is United Financial Group, what opportunities we offer, and what is our competitive advantage versus other companies. And we will certainly just answer your questions and provide updates. Please provide your questions on the chat on the webinar window in the questions bookmark. If the signal is low and I am breaking out, please tell about it to me in the chat. What is United Financial Group? It is an investment company with its own crowd investing platform. The company dates back to 2019 when we began attracting investments, and now we have partners from over 60 countries internationally. Moreover, we have more than 2,000 partners who have already invested in our company, and we began producing our own products, and all investors get dividends twice a year from the sales of our products. And we are now launching a full-scale marketing campaign for our products. Good, isn't it? Not so much time has passed, and not every company could have such good results. I would also say that the investment capital is formed not only by private investments of our partners, but as well as our partnering companies that we have agreements with. Well, the total number of participatory investment shares of the company is 2.4 billion. It used to be 2.4 million shares, but we had a split, and the number of participatory shares for every partner, for every investor, was multiplied by 1,000, and there are 0.6 billion participatory shares for sale. We are now in the 8th investment stage. A total of 12 investment stages are there. The first dividends have been paid this February to our investors, and next dividends are coming this July, give or take, after calculation of the profit from our sales, product sales. Distribution of profit, 100% of company profits are distributed as dividends on investment shares. At the same time, 0.6 million participatory shares are dedicated to finance projects. 0.2 million shares is a company share that also has dividends spent for the company development, and the company is not entitled to use investors' dividends for its purposes. There is another positive sign, which is 90 million participatory shares for gold and platinum status participants, and 15 million shares are as a reserve. 1.5 billion shares are a closed reserve, and they can only be used in case of additional funding. And the entire company profits are distributed on all company shares. This is an investment calendar. We are now on the eighth stage. A total of 61 million shares out of 70 million shares are available for sales. Most of the way has been is behind of us, and now I would like to say a few words about our mission. First of all, we are making a well-balanced investment portfolio for every investor. We also place a safe immunomodifier medical preparations on the market, and we also develop our own medications, including oncology drugs. We put innovations on the market, we finance IT developments and products, and we also develop a potential line of business with a potential turnover of $200 billion per year. This is a very lucrative line of activities, given the fact that the 21st century is putting the human health to the forefront because of bad nutrition and bad environment. And by 2050, there is research that 16% of the human population would be over 65 years of age. So there is an acute, how to say, aging population problem. And given uh, technological advancement and biotech advancement, we know that people are entitled to have less toxic, more innovative drugs to help them. And those diseases, those health issues that seemed to be useless before, would be responded by the pharmaceutical industry because they are to be affordable to the population. They would be environmentally friendly, and we are now investing into safe medical preparations, and we're investing in them. Everyone would like to be part of companies like Apple, Facebook, and the like to have its own stable investment package. Therefore, if we follow investors that have already done that, we know that the biotech market is very productive and underestimated, and such financial majors like Warren Buffett and Bill Gates, they invest into biotech and pharmacology companies. Warren Buffett has invested about 192 million into pharmaceuticals industry, and not in vain, because that sector of economy um, brings huge profits, because the turnover in that sector is $200 billion per year internationally. Here in the slide, you can see the growing investment into pharmaceuticals industry and medicine since 2018, and the information technology investments that has made a big way over the last years in terms of profitability. And biotech, it is also going along that direction. And the positive thing is that the biotech market is in its infancy, and we basically are standing at the uh, at the beginning of that market. A few more lucrative figures, billions of dollars. We can see that the oncology spending in 2023 would reach $240 billion per year. These are annual spending for that. And you can see statistics, and you can also see that every year the interest grows by more than 10%. The revenues, the spending is increased, and the income of investors who invest into that industry also increases. And we opted for that line of activities too. What are competitive advantages for our partners? This is an investment into a 240 billion dollar investments, and you could have the minimum price availability from the company. Investors get paid twice a year. I mean the dividends, and you are entitled to give your participatory shares to your successors. You have to re-register your account. To do so, you have to verify your account. To verify your account, you need to upload documents and write to our email address. You can read the news on our account and on our web pages. You also co-share, co-found important um, important role in that area, and you get profits from all our investment instruments. What has already been done over that time? Is in terms of sales, we have a wonderful immunobalsam titled Rusage. We have been selling it since last year. You can buy it in a company online market, and we deliver across the Soviet Union. We could probably deliver it internationally, but due to the pandemic, due to the COVID restrictions, the logistics leaves much to be desired. Later on, I am going to provide more details about the balsam to you. There is an anti-tumor drug called Fran. This is an anti-oncology drug, and Lavage Matkevich. This is the drug to clean yourself from the inside. And there is another oncological drug, astromelanin, is coming on stream. As far as IT and blockchain development, we have cooperation ties with Yellow Blockchain One. We create your own token and have cooperation with Vortex and Oscillatory Technologies Company Limited. And now, a few words about Yellow Messenger. This is a company called Yellow Blockchain One. This company has launched Yellow Messenger. This is a single range, decentralized application from the same titled cryptocurrency platform, including an ecosystem with a platform to generate own tokens, which is a very popular and very how to say demanding tool, because it simplifies the use of payment systems, so every company may create its own token on that platform. What are advantages? Quick transactions and very low commission fee. The Yellow Wallet crypto wallet would allow you to get cryptocurrency by clicking the mouse using your messages. I don't think that you have to be explained what is cryptocurrency. We have been talking to Yellow Company for quite a while, and additionally, our portfolio has Recently, our portfolio has something else for our partners who are interested in investment. We added cryptocurrency, the tool that we called UFG Crypto. This is your own investment account to trade cryptocurrencies at stock exchanges, and an experienced trader that showed a very good result over the recent time. I'm not going to tell you about guarantees. Everyone knows that this is the market, but the average statistics shows 10% give or take per month. To invest into cryptocurrencies and to use that instrument, you don't need to register on the stock exchange or to do trading yourself, to know cryptocurrencies, to know the market, and so on. The whole work is being conducted by an experienced trader. I know that many partners have already invested into that instrument. What about Vortex and Oscillating Technologies Limited? This company is headed by its chief designer, who has been doing research for 40 years now. The CEO of the company, Yevgeny Sorokodum, has PhD in technology. He worked for academic Korolev. He has a medal for scientific work for aviation engines of oscillatory type. There are hundreds of experiments and lots of positive data obtained to develop the advanced technology today. So, simply put, owing to a great experience of Yevgeny Dmitrievich, we could say now that we can think about green energy, and what he offers is a vortex based power plant using hot air, and versus other green energy sources, this source is more effective, it's cheaper and more effective or efficient engine than analogs like wind farms and water generators. So, this is the future, and very soon, using a little engine, a little box, we could not only provide electricity for a detached house, but for villages and settlements. The main lines of activities for that company is Vortex, oscillating hydroelectric power plants, water and air transport using such turbines, unmanned aerial vehicles, fire suppression technology using oscillatory vortex um, waves, as well as waste management. United Financial Group has cooperation with Sklifosovsky Institute of Intensive Care in Moscow, and we also have Lavage Matkevich in our portfolio, developed by Viktor Matkevich, doctor of medicine, and he is an effective tool to clean your body from the inside. That development has three inventive patents. This is a simple and safe tool to clean your small and large intestine. You could order all the products on our website, and I would ask our administrator, Sergey, could you please post a message with the address of our e-shop? So let's do it like that. Here on the slide, you can see our e-shop address where you can buy our products. Thank you, Sergey. He has posted the same data on the chat. I have already mentioned that we have a Rusich immunobalsam selling since 2020 with unique action. More than 14 herbs, medicinal herbs, are part of it, including wood garlic, laurel cherry, tuya, silver fir, elder, hazel, beggar's button. Lots of very useful things. All those herbs, they give good things to your body, and owing to which that balsam has lots of vitamins, micro and macro elements, tannins, essential oils, as well as other good things that just bring about quick withdrawal of toxins from your body. It increases elasticity of your blood vessels, which is critical for your brain vessels, and they also prevent apoplexy, ischemic heart diseases, and the like. The most important thing is that balsam tones your body, reducing the cholesterol level in your blood and increases physical stamina. So, for those who are not only for those who are healthy and just has a healthy lifestyle, the balsam would help because you would feel more vigor and could set new records. You can run not 10K kilometers, but you can easily run 11 or 12. So please buy the balsam and you will see the difference. Apart from that, there are a lot of feedbacks from our partner, and you can find it on our website. And at the moment, the United Financial Group has launched a loyalty program for investors to buy Rusich Balsam. Now you can get two options. First, you can get a discount. It depends on the current status on the company. If you are a partner, you get a 10% discount, 20% discount for a silver partner, 30% for gold, and 40% for platinum status. And the second option, the discount may depend on your company investments. 500 to $999 you get 5% discount, 1,000 to $2,000 $2.999 you can get a 10% discount, 3,000 to $4,999 you can 20% discount, from 5,000 to $999,000 you get 3%, and $10,000 and more you get a 40% discount. To get this bonus, you need to apply in a chat online on our website. The operator would get that request, check the data, and would just pass it over to the sales department. This discount is for Balsam Rusich only, that is produced by our company. And now it is very useful in spring and autumn time. It is hot or cold at the same time in that season, and your blood vessels are not adapting quickly to the changes. Therefore, you may have fatigue or you don't feel well, so that balsam is relevant now. We also have another development which is called astromelanin. I can talk for hours about astromelanin. We recently have translated a book into English. It was digitized and how to say, it was distributed among people to read what astromelanin is, because it is not just a progress, it is a breakthrough in oncology treatment. To put it short, 50 years ago, there was an Arctic expedition of the Soviet scientists who found the pigment of black yeast, showing good resistivity and good results. And there is a huge list of people who were able to restore their health, not just able to restore their health, but they have eliminated many diseases, including in oncology, when the doctors were helpless. They could do that. So now the first trial batch was mm, issued or produced. This is black yeast. They're non-toxic, which is a very good, how to say, advantage versus other oncology drugs. And the United Financial Group has produced the first trial drug called astromelanin, and we're getting ready for preclinical trials. And I do believe that this product would just put upside down the entire market for oncology drugs because the results are unique, and you can read in about that uh, drug on our group and on our Telegram channel. So this is what I wanted to tell you today about our partners. Well, I told you about the partners, about the product. What else is worth mentioning? Good. Evgeny Rusich is here now, who would be able to answer your questions. And I'm telling goodbye. The floor goes to Evgeny Rusich. All the best to you. Have a nice evening and a good mood. Well, hello everybody. Natalia has already mentioned everything. Just let me summarize. You all probably know that our marketing people have started preparation of all our platforms for sales this week to market all our products. There are dedicated accounts in all social networks: VK, Facebook, Instagram, Odnoklassniki. The contents is being filled and preparation is going on. So those platforms will be prepared by designers and copywriters. Then they fill it with the contents. They launch those platforms to spend marketing money, so the sales would start. This is for the balsam sales. I think that the process would take another couple of weeks if there are no more, how to say, interruptions. So this is the update. And as I said, another loyalty program was launched recently for our investors for the balsam. For astromelanin, I cannot tell you now what are the. Well, visually it looks like there is nothing going on, but given the fact that it is not a capital construction or a facility building, speaking about the research work related to medicine, there is no way to show it to you once a week saying that something has been growing and something is happening. The process is not visible. Its development is not visible. It is not just feasible, it's not physical thing, but when there is a result, there will be information. Speaking about astromelanin, I think that there could be more interesting news by the end of May. I think that the research and development would be over and all our, you know, tested people for astromelanin, they would start the second course tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. The second lot of astromelanin in capsules, not in powder, will be sent tomorrow. We have slightly changed the reception, the way of reception, and there could be first results by the end of May. Next week, the plan is to publish our accounting reports across all our company spendings for 2020. There will be a separate page in your personal account. This is it for the basic information. If you have any questions, please post it on the chat. Question: will the account be blocked if there is no verification? Answer: no, Alexander. It's not the verification and the blocking of your account are not related. Verification makes it possible to withdraw your money. There will be no blocking, and again, verification gives you a chance to make a better correlation between company shares and yourself, because all documents are uploaded and verified. The company has a direct link between the share owner and the company shares. As long as the verification is not there, we can only see your name and last name, but they're not verified with any documents. Well, I saw a question relating to the balsam production line. As far as the line is concerned, it is, how to say, finished by 80%. The assembly is nearing completion in the city of Saratov, and it takes another 2 weeks to finalize it. Following that, our representative would fly over to Saratov to see a demonstration run of the line, and then the line is going to be shipped over here. That's the information about the production line for the balsam. Basically, I am finished, and there are no more questions on the chat. I would like to add one more thing. The Yellow company are suspended their token sales. The pre-sale is closed because the company is getting ready for a new start, and this year the plan is to have a listing on at least one stock exchange and maybe more, and then we will see how it goes on the market, because our company is also a holder of Yellow tokens, and if there is an interest from financial interest on the stock exchange, we will probably be selling some tokens or hold it for a longer time to have a bigger, better profit. That's it. Well, any questions? It looks like there is no one in the room. No question on the chat or anywhere else. Well, if there are no more questions, let me call it a webinar. All the best to you. Have a nice evening. Be healthy and wealthy. And my congratulations on the upcoming holidays. Until next time.